Hey everyone, welcome. Today we're diving into the world of influencer marketing, a powerful platform for building your personal brand and making money online. I'll be your guide to becoming a successful influencer and maximizing your earning potential. So let's jump right in. Influencer marketing has exploded in recent years, with brands and businesses turning to social media influencers to promote their products and services to a targeted audience. But how exactly do you become an influencer? Let's break it down step by step. First and foremost, identify your niche and target audience. What are you passionate about? What topics do you have expertise in? Choose a niche that aligns with your interests and values, as this will make it easier for you to create authentic and engaging content that resonates with your audience. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to establish your presence on social media platforms. Whether it's Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or Twitter, select platforms where your target audience is most active and engaged. Create compelling and visually appealing content that showcases your personality and expertise. Consistency is key when it comes to building your following and establishing yourself as an influencer. Post regularly and engage with your audience by responding to comments, messages, and DMs. Building genuine connections with your followers will help foster trust and loyalty over time. As your following grows, it's important to collaborate with other influencers and brands within your niche. Partnering with like-minded individuals and businesses can help you expand your reach and attract new followers to your profile. Now let's talk about monetization strategies. There are several ways to make money as an influencer, including sponsored content. Collaborate with brands and businesses to create sponsored posts or sponsored content in exchange for compensation. Make sure to only promote products or services that align with your personal brand and values. Affiliate marketing. Partner with companies and promote their products or services through affiliate links. You'll earn a commission for every sale or referral made through your unique affiliate link. Brand partnerships. Negotiate long-term partnerships with brands and businesses to become their brand ambassador or spokesperson. These partnerships often involve a combination of sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and exclusive discounts for your followers. Digital products. Create and sell digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or exclusive content subscriptions related to your niche. Digital products offer a scalable and passive income stream once created. Events and appearances. Host live events, workshops, or meet and greets for your followers and fans. You can also collaborate with brands to attend events or conferences as a guest speaker or influencer. Remember, building a successful influencer brand takes time, patience, and dedication. Stay true to yourself, engage authentically with your audience, and focus on creating valuable and meaningful content that resonates with your followers. And there you have it, your guide to becoming an influencer. By identifying your niche, building your social media presence, collaborating with other influencers and brands, and implementing effective monetization strategies, you can turn your passion into a profitable career as an influencer. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more tips on making money online and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and happy influencing.